explosion is going to happen now. I am going to talk about wealth creation today. Yes, wealth creation is equal to happiness creation. You heard me right. Wealth is a very, very important component in creating happiness. Now, all those of you who think that wealth is bad need to change your thought process. Many of us have heard this statement, money cannot buy happiness. But believe me, money is a very, very important ingredient in creating happiness in this 21st century. We all need money for a decent living, whether it is for buying cars, whether it's for buying a nice house, whether it's sending our children for higher education, whether it's going to travel abroad. We need money for recreation purposes also. And recreation is very important to regenerate ourselves, to renew ourselves, to help our mind generate new ideas. Now, in the 21st century, the most important thing ever revealed by anyone is the capacity of the human mind to generate ideas. Every 6 months, we see a new model of iPhone coming out. We keep seeing changes in washing machines, in cars. Why is it so? This is innovation. This is because of all the ideas that the technicians have, and so they implement these ideas to improve our experience with the things. Now, these are consumer durable items which give us a lot of happiness. We need money to gift an iPhone to somebody, and the moment we give this to somebody, we generate happiness for that person. How many of you will agree with this idea of mine? I'm sure most of you will agree with this idea. Now, how many of you have planned it, that how much money you need to have a living that you are living now for the next 10 years, 20 years, or when you retire at the age of 60 years or 65 years? We need to have proper planning for the money that we generate now so that we can live a very comfortable life later. Now, today I'm going to talk about how to increase your wealth creation. Now, the most important point in this is first setting your goal. Now, goal setting is very, very important. It's something like if I sit in my car today and think, let me go somewhere for a drive. I will go here and there, not knowing actually where my destination is. But if I know that I am going to Shimla for a holiday, so I know which road to take. So it is very important for all of us to have a fixed goal in our mind, goal where we need to go, and then when we have decided where to go, then we know how to go about it. Now, how do we know how to go about? That is the work of the gold mine. We have a gold mine between our 2 ears. Yes, our brain is a gold mine which keeps generating ideas. Now, these ideas are going to take us to where we want. How do we generate ideas? Now, the best thing for this is following a very simple rule. Take out 1 hour extra for yourself every day. If you are getting up at 7 o'clock on a daily routine, start getting up at 6 in the morning. If you are getting up at 6 o'clock, start getting up at 5 o'clock every day. When you do this, you give 1 hour extra to yourself. Let's say that you take 5-day week and 2 days are your rest period when you do not wish to get up early. That's perfectly fine. So we'll start with Monday to Friday, getting up 1 hour early, freshen up, and then sit for a meditation session for 15 to 20 minutes. That regenerates the brain cells. After that, take a pen and paper and start writing ideas. Now, ideas how to contribute to the society, how to contribute to the well-being of the society, how to contribute and add value to the society. When you start putting in these ideas, that is when you will see money coming to you as a byproduct. Now, how will you get these ideas? Think of all the problems that you have been facing over the years. When you think about your problems, you will also find a solution for your problems. Now, it's very, very possible that the problems that you were facing are something similar to what other people are also facing. Now, when you find a solution for your own problem, that is when you will find a solution to all the people who were facing similar problems. When this happens, you are actually trying to help other people. That is why when you add value to others, you start generating wealth for your own self. So once you understand this, even if you don't understand, make sure that you write your goal, then start writing ideas that your brain is generating. You might start with 2 ideas a day, go on to 3 to 4 to 5 ideas a day. At the end of the month, you would be having a whole lot of ideas. Now think what all can be implemented. Some ideas can be implemented, some cannot. That's perfectly fine. Till the time our brain is working on generating ideas and then we making sure that we are implementing at least 5% of those ideas, we will definitely bring a change to the system. Now, we need to change the attitude of our being. Human beings can change their lives by simply changing their attitude towards others, towards themselves. If you keep thinking, I need to do this for myself, that will mean that you cannot do it for yourself. But the moment you start thinking that I am doing it for others, that is when automatically the universe will start granting you whatever you require for your well-being. I hope all these things made sense to you. Now I wish to tell you a very simple line. All human beings are rewarded in exact proportion to the amount of contribution to give to the society, to the amount of value they add to the society. So keep adding value to the society and keep generating wealth. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day, an Independence Day which brings a change in your thought processes, which brings a change in your mindset, because by changing mindset, you will be able to change the level of wealth that you are earning. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.